Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, I have the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. And this is your card for your moon energies, Leos, today. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading. So we have book, birds, and clover. So in your circumstances today, Leos, maybe in your work or in your personal life, in this relationship, you are talking to someone close to you. Maybe you are communicating to someone, giving them ideas to improve, or you are taking ideas from them. And this person is someone close to you, reliable, trustworthy. It may be your friend or a family member. So you want them to give their honest ideas, suggestions which you can follow, which you can do for something good in your life today, guys, Leos. So this person is giving you ideas for something you need to do in your work or in your personal life. Maybe you are making some important choices today, decisions, and something needs clarity, Leos. So this person is helping you, and maybe you are a very responsible person. You have a lot of things on your shoulders, burdens, responsibilities. You need to do everything the right way, and that may be the reason you are asking this person suggestions. And maybe in this relationship, these suggestions may be something you need to do in your love situation. Maybe you are thinking of marriage or commitment, so you are expecting some kind of clarity. And Leos, with these cards I see that maybe if at all you have some problems, maybe some misunderstanding or whatever it is, all that is going to resolve, guys, because we have the clover card and it is a good luck card. So whatever troubles you are seeing in your circumstances today, all that is going to resolve. And maybe some things which were not clear, maybe you did not know what this person is thinking or feeling today, maybe after some arguments, whatever you had. But today you are reaching that clarity, because with these cards I see that some kind of understanding and clarity is happening, and you know what are their what is the truth in their heart, what do they want, or what are their expectations, and what are their plans for the future. So some kind of open heart communication is happening today between you and your person, Leos. And for your relationship, we have bouquet. So again, a very positive card here, guys. So you both are having a good time, spending time together. This person loves your company, and maybe you're going out, taking a holiday with them, taking a break from your routine and going out to meet this person, or they are coming to meet you. And you know what are their deepest desires, what do they truly want, and you have a beautiful understanding of this person, guys, Leos. So good luck is the reason for this good news, or the way things are going in your circumstances, Leos. So for your career situation, we have child. So maybe in your work, some kind of a new beginning is coming your way, something fresh, something like a fresh start towards something. Maybe some offers or opportunities are reaching you, and you are going to be really lucky today, Leos. So whatever you step into, you are going to see success today. That is what I see, guys. So for your moon energies, Leos, your hard work is paying off. So maybe whatever you have done till now, guys, it is going to give you the results. So professionally, you are going to see a very good beginning, a very good start to the way things are going today in your life. Maybe some rare opportunities are reaching you, something which makes you extremely happy, and it's giving you lucrative returns, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. A very positive reading for you all today, guys. Thank you, Leos, for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, today we have two cards. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card here. I will keep this card behind. So for those who chose this card, it says responsibility. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your relationship, in your personal life, you are what you think. So the power of your thoughts are that positive intentions, whatever you have, that is going to make the way the things go in your circumstance, guys. So your thoughts are also the reflection of what you are, what kind of person you are. So if you are a responsible soul, you must be really aware of your thoughts, be really conscious, because that is going to create that reality today, guys. So the power of positive thinking, and when you do something based on thoughts, based on purity of love you have for someone, it is going to simply influence the way things go in this relationship or in your personal life. And also, guys, we should avoid being judgmental. We are not aware of the reason why this person is speaking in such a way, or what is influencing their actions or words, what is the motivation behind that. We never have any idea. So we must have that compassion and love towards the people who are there in our life. So when we do that, we will never be judgmental, and we must, as responsible people, we must influence others with the way we handle our circumstances, guys. So we should not put it into words and give them some advice. Instead of that, just by the way we live, just by setting that example for others, we will inspire the people in our life through our actions and through the way we lead our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for you all. Thank you for watching, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second card, it says yin. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or your work situation, whatever it is, we are often used to doing things our own way, handling the situation just like we do each and every time based on our knowledge and experience. But today, it may be time you let someone else make that move. Allow someone else. This is the time for you to consciously allow someone, guys. When you do that, you will know what is truly in their hearts. When you permit others to tell you who they are, what they want, and what are their actions, what are their intentions, you will be pleasantly surprised to know the truth and what is in their heart and what they are meant to do. So, even the small gestures and actions are going to give you clarity when you give that power, when you hand over the reins to that other person. So this is the time for you to wait for miracles to unfold, where things are going, how things are shaping up in your relationship or in your work situation. This is not the time for you to take action. This is the time for you to just open up, let love, abundance, and life come towards you, guys, without any demand or expectation on your side. So, all you need to do is just wait for things to unfold in your life today. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.